Hello, junior infants. This is your Sounds in Action tutorial for Wednesday, the 20th of January. This is your Sounds in Action book, and we are on page 8 today. As far as I'm aware, we're on page 8. If I'm wrong, please let me know, and we can go back and cover if we haven't got page 6 or 7 done. But I think that we are on page 8. Okay, so we'll take a look at just page 8 for today, and up at the top of your page you will notice that you have a creature up here. I'm going to say it's a caterpillar, and it has got 3 different sounds in it. Okay, it's got ah ah ah, it's got I, and it's got eh. Okay, so for today we're looking at starting sounds. Okay, up here it says initial sounds, which is just another way of saying starting sounds. So we're going to look at the words here, and we're going to try and figure out what they start with. First of all, let's go through the words, because some of you might not know from just looking at the picture what they are, but they all start with either a, I, or e. So the first one is done for us. Can you guess what that picture is? It starts with a, and it is an ant. 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 This one here is a home made out of ice, and it is called an igloo. An igloo. So would that start with a, I, or e? And I want you to write down whichever one you think it starts with. Igloo, igloo, igloo. Over here we have an arrow. Next up we have an animal here that you're all probably familiar with. It is an elephant. Elephant. Over here we have an Indian. We would say, Native American, but for this page I think it's Indian. Over here we have an ambulance. Then we have an egg. You guys all know what this is. They just left your houses, a lot of you, and Rudy left our classroom. An elf. And finally, we have something that goes into your pen, and it is ink. Okay, so say those words out loud, and if you're getting lost, like for example here with igloo, don't just say igloo, say igloo, igloo, and then that might help you to look through and say igloo. Is it an igloo, an agloo, or is it igloo? So that one, as we now know, is I. So try your best to figure those ones out. Of course, you may need to get some help from someone at home, but if you really say them out loud to yourself, you should be able to get a good few of them. Try on your own first, I would say, and then if you're really stuck with it, after a few minutes, maybe get some help with it, sounding them out. But I really want you to try and sound out those words, the starting sounds, to try and figure out whether it's a, I, or e. Best of luck with it, guys, and I will talk to you again soon.